Hello and welcome back to Pedal Savings. If you are new here, my name is Rosie and I am a cash budgeter that uses the cash envelope method to budget out her savings. And if you are not new here, welcome back. It's been a long time. I have some exciting news. I am pregnant. I am 26 weeks right now, so my due date is coming soon. That is why I've been missing. I've been in the hospital for like a while now, and it's been a struggle really. Anyways, today we are going to be working on our budget binder. It's going to be in this A5 size binder that I got. It's like pink and glittery. It's cute. And then we will also be what's it called? We will also be redoing our categories in our binders. Sorry, it might seem like I'm out of breath. I really can't breathe through this pregnancy. Anyways, I have some new binder and envelope inserts. This is my pink retro one. All of these insert designs will be up on my Etsy. But yeah, this is my pink retro. This is my Bridgerton themed one. It has roses. And then this is my pink gingham style one. Okay, so let's get into creating our budget binder. Okay, first let's bend it so that it can lay down flat. Then open. Okay, so first we gotta put in our monthly inserts. So I created these monthly inserts. There will be a printable version for digital download and a physical one. So for anybody that just doesn't want to put in the work or doesn't have the supplies, I have that option as well. So each month has a cute little quote. For January, it's "She believed, she planned, she achieved." So let's put these in. This is for December. And while we're putting these in, I also have matching monthly dashboards. As you can see, everything matches and it's pink. So these will also be digital download or physical. So if you are interested in that, will be up on my Etsy. I'm gonna flip this like this. There's like, so we got two cats and there's like cat hair everywhere on my desk because they sometimes like to lay on my desk. So put these in. echoing it. Wait. Did I forget to put a thing? Yeah, I forgot to put October's dashboard. September. So I did a little goof and I kind of like hole punched some of the papers wrong. So the physical items will not be hole punched wrong. It's just I was being silly. Is it that one? Yeah, it should be. Okay. I like to make my own planners because I just feel like the pre-made ones don't really have what I need, or it's just too much. Okay. As you could tell, each month has like an inspirational quote on each one. Okay, so since we got to January, before I put these in, I'm actually going to put in my cash planning and cash stuffing inserts. I also made a spending tracker for the month. It has, for you put the date you spent money on, the amount, the like balance it has now after that, after spending, and then like what you spent it on. This will, everything you see here will be a digital download or a physical item. And then my cash stuffing, you guys already know. These are my categories, and this is where I put the amount I'm putting in and how much it has now currently. And then my cash planning is where I plan where all my money goes. Then I'll put these in. But before I put these in, I'm gonna add my little tab divider for which month we are in currently. And then set for January. Then after that, we're gonna put the how much did I save. This is a monthly savings tracker. So every time I save, after every month, we track how much I saved in all my savings challenges, and then we reallocate the money into our savings. And then my 2026 cover. Ooh, that was a nasty noise. So this is a matte vellum cover that I really like, that I created so that it can match everything. And that's going to be my binder for this year. I really like it. Okay, so let's get into doing our A6 binders. So let's put in our savings envelope inserts. So the first one is going to be 2026 savings. It's going to be in here. It's kind of hard putting these in the zipper envelopes, but I use the zipper envelopes for my savings challenges because these ones can get full easily. Okay, then I'm gonna skip 2 because these are going to be my monthly savings challenges. And then, so I want to do like the mini Monday, tiny Tuesday one savings challenges. And I'm going to do 4 at a time. So let's put those in here. If you have any small savings challenge inserts that you would like me to use, please comment down below. And I would love to use them for this. And then my $2 bills that keep back there. So that's going to be it for that binder. This binder is going to be my high priority binder. It's going to be this one. So Elizabeth is going to be my daughter's name. So let's put her in first since she gets high priority right now. Maternity leave, since I will be on maternity leave soon, I want to save up some extra cash for it, for like rainy days. Ren and Goku. So Ren and Goku is my 2 baby cats that we got. And I want to start saving money for them, for like cat food or medical bills or anything. Derek is my fiance. Emergency. Wedding. So our wedding was supposed to be in February, but we decided to postpone it since I have been sick from the pregnancy and I've been going to the hospital. So I want to start saving up more for the wedding again. Apartment, so that I have an apartment envelope for when we have to move. I want to save money for it so that whenever our lease ends and we don't want this apartment anymore, we could just move into a different one. Okay, Christmas. Gifts and meds. Okay, so that's going to be it for my high priority binder. Okay, and then this one is my low priority. So it's going to be date night. Oh, so much cat hair. Home. Household. Pedal savings, which is my budgeting business. So whatever I save in here, I could spend on like supplies or taxes or anything that involves pedal savings. Okay, Rosie Art Studio is my other business. It's for my art because I am a digital artist, and Rosie Art Studio is my digital art business name. And then Treat Yourself. Treat Yourself is basically my binder. I could spend it on whatever I want. Beauty supplies, clothes, whatever. Okay, that's going to be it. Okay. As you could tell, my favorite color is pink. Anyways, that's going to be it for today. I will see you guys in my January budget setup. Bye!